Let's get straight to it. Tesla offers two connectivity plans. Standard connectivity is free and comes with basic features. Premium connectivity costs $9.99 per month or $99 per year and unlocks a suite of advanced features. The key difference lies in data usage, feature depth, and integration with Tesla's ecosystem. Choosing the right plan depends on your driving habits and tech preferences. As of December 7th, 2025, Premium includes AI-driven enhancements. Standard connectivity provides essential features at no extra cost. It includes over-the-air software updates to keep your Tesla running smoothly with automatic fixes and new features. You also get basic navigation using offline maps, which works well for familiar routes without needing real-time data. Voice commands are included for controlling basic functions like climate and media. Finally, access to radio stations and podcasts is available for entertainment during drives. Standard connectivity uses cellular data sparingly, relying on cached data to minimize usage and cost. This is much lower data consumption compared to premium connectivity. Premium connectivity builds upon the standard plan with significant upgrades. It provides enhanced navigation, entertainment, and vehicle management features. Enjoy live traffic visualization and satellite imagery within the navigation system, providing up-to-date information for better route planning. This includes detailed maps with real-time traffic data and satellite views to help you navigate efficiently. Stream your favorite video content through Tesla Theater, including services like Netflix and YouTube, right from your vehicle's touchscreen. Listen to high-fidelity music with premium audio services like Spotify Hi-Fi, offering superior sound quality for an enhanced listening experience. Download software updates much faster, up to 10 times quicker than with standard connectivity. Access Tesla's arcade for in-car gaming, providing entertainment during stops or waits. This plan also unlocks real-time diagnostics and remote assistance capabilities, allowing for immediate support and vehicle monitoring. Let's break it down in a table for easy comparison. Navigation. Standard offers basic maps without live traffic. Premium includes live traffic, satellite views, and points of interest. Entertainment. Standard gives you radio and podcasts. Premium unlocks video streaming, premium music, and games. Updates. Standard downloads at standard speed, while Premium offers accelerated downloads. Data usage. Standard is low, cached, while Premium is high, real-time streaming. And of course, Standard is free, while Premium is $9.99 a month. Premium connectivity is ideal for Tesla owners who frequently drive in urban environments with heavy traffic. The live traffic updates and rerouting can save significant time. Road trippers will also benefit from the entertainment options like Tesla Theater. Tech enthusiasts who want the latest features and fastest updates will appreciate Premium. If you're subscribing to Full Self-Driving FSD, Premium provides the enhanced data needed for optimal AI performance. According to recent data, 70% of Tesla owners find Premium valuable in urban settings. Standard connectivity is ideal for Tesla owners who primarily make short commutes on familiar routes. If you mainly use your phone for navigation and entertainment, the free standard plan provides all essential connectivity features. For example, drivers who know their local area well can rely on cached maps and basic navigation without needing live traffic updates. Budget-conscious owners can save money by sticking with standard, avoiding the monthly premium fee, while still getting software updates and voice controls. The cost difference is significant. Standard is completely free, while Premium costs $9.99 per month. Standard also works for owners who don't need advanced entertainment features, as seen in this charging setup where basic connectivity suffices. However, it's important to consider the trade-off between cost and convenience. Standard lacks Premium's advanced features like live traffic and streaming, but provides essential functionality for many owners. In summary, standard connectivity offers free essential features perfect for budget-conscious owners on familiar routes. Tesla's connectivity plans are continuously evolving alongside advancements in automotive AI and sustainable energy. Expect increased AI integration, where Premium features predictive navigation based on driving patterns. Both plans increasingly support Tesla's energy ecosystem. By 2027, Tesla might bundle Premium with FSD subscriptions or introduce tiered plans. 6G integration is a future possibility for ultra-low latency features. Data privacy and regulatory changes will also play a role in shaping future offerings. Premium uptake is rising as streaming and gaming become integral to the in-car experience. Ultimately, the decision between standard and premium connectivity depends on your individual needs and priorities. Consider your driving habits, budget, and technological preferences. If you value real-time data, entertainment options, and the latest features, premium is likely worth the cost. If you're a budget-minded owner who primarily uses your Tesla for basic transportation, standard connectivity will suffice. Remember to check Tesla's website for the most up-to-date information and pricing in your region.